video of this course. First of all, I would like to thank you all for giving an overwhelming response to my course. In a few days, I'll be posting a Photoshop course too. I hope to get the same response for my Photoshop course, where I'll be explaining all the basics of Photoshop step by step. And I also feel happy to announce that Brainy Brothers channel has achieved 15K plus views. In this last video, I'm giving you one project. After doing it, you can mail me your project. My email ID will be in the description below. And if you have any doubt while doing your project, please do comment. I'll reply to each one of your comments. Now, after that being said, let's go back to the video.
Welcome everyone to this lesson. In this lesson, I'll be telling you about the class project. So let's get started. So what you'll be doing in the class project is a presentation on European monuments, so like the Eiffel Tower, Tower of Pisa, and the Colosseum. So here you can see, if I go to animations, I want that you animate every text on your slide like this one. So this is basically just a fly in animation, like this, a fly in animation, which is set to by letter, and I've added some bounce end to it, and then we have the Eiffel Tower. So here you can see, if I go to preview, you can see that the Eiffel, like this is basically the exact same thing, but with the float-in animation rather than the fly-in animation. And then we have the Tower of Pisa slide. So in here, I've done something different. So here in this slide, here you can see I've put a zoom animation and then a grow shrink animation. So you can find the grow shrink animation in the emphasis tab. So I told you, if you can remember, that emphasis animations are all the animation that you put if the object is on the slide. So first it enters from the zoom animation and then it is on the slide, and then I've put a grow shrink animation. And if we go to the effect options, you can see that I've put the custom, like, I don't know what should I call it, but I've set it to size, percentage of size. So I've put it to 120 and clicked on auto reverse. So first it gets big and then it shrinks. So let's click on OK. And now let's go to the Colosseum slide. And this is just a simple, it's just a simple grow turn animation. I'm pretty sure you can do it. And now I want you that all of these slides should have a duration of 5 seconds, and all of these slides should have some kind of transition like this one. And another thing that I want to tell you is that I want you to pick some kind of high contrast image like this one. So I've put an white overlay on it. So it's just a white rectangle, and I've put some transparency on it. Here you can see a white rectangle, white fill, and 85% transparency. And then we have the Colosseum. So what I've done in this one is that this actually was this was the original image of the Colosseum, and I edited this image with the picture correction tab and the picture color tab, if you remember. So I edited in that tab, and I want you to do that as well. And if you want to make your presentation with these pictures only, you can check out the project description. And if you're thinking, how do I make a class project and send it in the course? So you just have to go to the project and resources tab and then click on create a project. So this was it for this lesson, and I'm looking forward to see all your projects.